Transposition to F major. Check on the 5-finger positions in F major. Next, explore with different speed. You may use the metronome to check on the speed. There are 2 types of metronomes: the traditional metronome or the digital metronome. For the metronome, you may adjust to the speed. For instance, 92. Adjust to the speed, 92. Or you may use the digital metronome. Adjust the speed to 92. Da, 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 da. Enjoy your practice. Find this video useful? Try our full book and revolutionize your piano practice altogether. No more long hours of boring finger drill exercises, but just a carefully planned 10 minutes each day. How much more fun and effective your practice will be if you just try this book. Still not convinced? It's okay. Get your free worksheet first and see the improvement for yourself. Here is a practice video for you. Are you ready? Let's go!